This is the second part of topic D on page 30, the clipboard task pane. When you select a passage in your document and then select copy or cut, you place the selection in the Windows clipboard. The clipboard is shared with other Windows applications, so you can use it to copy or move a passage to another Windows application, as long as that application can accept the type of content that you copied from your Word document. So the clipboard is kind of like a saving spot for text that's cut or copied. So if I was to select this first line of visit us at B&B Fitness example, if I was to select that, go up to my home tab, clipboard group, and select copy, that text is actually being saved in an unseen area right now. And that unseen area is your clipboard. If I was to launch the clipboard task pane by hitting my dialog box launcher, you can see that that's actually kind of saved there. All right. So I could go and paste that text elsewhere. I'm going to do Control V here. And once I paste it, it's not removed from the clipboard. I could paste it multiple times if I wanted to. If you wanted to clear anything on here, you just hit clear all and it's going to clear out that task pane for you. Now if I were to hit Control V, nothing's happening because nothing is saved to the clipboard. All right, same with the cut option. Let's say why choose us, I have that selected and I cut it. It's removed from my document, but it's still being saved on my clipboard. So let's say I wanted to move it somewhere else in my document area. I did Control V. Still on my clipboard. I could paste that again. Now, once I pasted that, and let's say I copied the bit-by-bit golden rules, now I have multiple things on my clipboard. I can only paste the last one using my keyboard shortcut, which right now is the bit-by-bit golden rule, but I could always come back to why choose us and paste there. So just because I've copied or cut something else after another option doesn't mean it's gone forever. It's still on the clipboard. All right, just kind of like a holding spot for text. Let's see. Drag and drop. This is kind of another way of either copying and pasting text or moving it, if you will. If I select this line questions with a question mark and I wanted to move it, I could select it and then I could click and drag, and you see how my insertion point is a dark bar now? That's where I would drop it if I let go of my mouse button. So it kind of moves it for me. It's almost like a cut and paste, but the steps in between are removed. It's just a quicker option. Now if I wanted to copy that, with that selected, I can hold down my Control key. Let's say I wanted to drop it here. I think hold on, my screen froze for a second. See, when I hold down the Control key and drag and drop, it doesn't move it, but it copies it into the copies and pastes it into the other spot. All right. So some people prefer to use their mouse with most of their commands. Some people like to go up to their toolbar of their ribbon and use the command buttons up there. Some like to or prefer to use keyboard shortcuts. There's lots of different ways to do things. You do whatever you want, whichever way you feel comfortable, as long as you're getting the final result. All right, so copying, Control C, you can right click and copy. You can hit the copy button on your home tab of your ribbon. Lots of different ways to do things. All right, the next video is going to be activity 1.7 on page 33.